The second sort of a noun is a proper noun. The speakers in a linguistic group agree on each definition with the intangible and tangible traits of an object. The speakers can define the object with various aspects, and the definition for the object can be listed limitlessly. The speakers in the linguistic group the distinctive experience, condition, or action to define an abstract noun. Each definition is accepted in the linguistic group. Every definition that is defined with the experience, condition, or action that is intangible is integrated as the definition for the abstract noun. The speakers who define a proper noun with the definitions that are correct, the definitions that are able to be listed limitlessly include the tangible object and the intangible object, both. The speakers in the linguistic group agree on the fact that each definition is correct. The object that occurs with a limitless number of the definitions is the only one, and the noun to indicate this object is classified as a proper noun. Each speaker in the linguistic group can focus on various aspects of an object and the definitions are able to be listed limitlessly. So, an object that occurred with the limitless definitions is the only one. The limitless definitions are considered an identity that the proper noun indicates. The intangible and tangible objects indicated by a proper noun as the definition are integrated into an identity. The number of the object indicated by a proper noun defined by the limitless intangible and tangible traits is considered one from the point when the object indicated by the proper noun is defined with the identity. From this perspective, the speaker who considers the necessity that the object indicated by the proper noun is to be identified individually from the other context in every statement signifies the first letter of the proper noun with the capital letter. The capital letter reveals the fact that the object indicated by the proper noun is able to be interpreted with the context of the statement. For the first example, between the two examples of the proper noun, the noun Seoul to indicate a city is classified as a proper noun. The noun Seoul is defined with the territory that is tangible, the citizens that are tangible, the compartment in the air of the nation that is intangible, the mayor
who is
tangible, and even with the number of ants that are tangible living in the city. Each speaker in the linguistic group is asked the question, what is Seoul? So each speaker in the linguistic group focuses on aspect
in the two ways of the indication or description to define the noun.
Seoul. The possible responses are listed in the first description, and each definition is correct.
As each definition is correct, the speakers in the linguistic group agree on each definition.
In this way, the definitions for the proper noun Seoul can be listed limitlessly. Each definition is agreed in the linguistic group as correct. The limitless definitions are essential to define the object indicated by the proper noun Seoul with the identity. The definitions for the proper noun Seoul are accorded only to the object indicated by the proper noun Seoul. The fact that the entire definition of the proper noun Seoul is essential is obvious with this assumption. If we detach the territory of the object indicated by the proper noun Seoul, which is one of the definitions, and relocate the territory beside the United States of America without the citizens and the existence indicated by the other definitions, the relocated territory beside the United States of America will be defined as a new place, not as the object indicated by the proper noun Seoul. The fact that the entire definition for the proper noun Seoul occurs with the only object from the identity is clarified.